Hello students, today we are going to discuss our chapter number 6, that is Introduction to HTML. Okay, in Introduction to HTML we have completed all the topics that is related to how to make a text bold, underline, and how to change the paragraph and the different things in the HTML. In this class we will be discussing about how to create a list. Okay, so how to create a list, what a list means in actually. Okay, list means the number of items which you are having. For example, make a list of your books. Okay, when you are making a list of your books, then what you will do, you will write like this: number 1 maths, number 2 social. So this is a kind of a list which you will be making when if you are said to make a list of your books. So this is called a list. When you are making a list in computer, then how you have to make that using HTML, we'll be discussing that in this class. We can create a list to add points in the web page. So here we'll be discussing about how to make a list in a web page. The code is as follows. Here you can see HTML, head, title till body. All the things are as it is, which we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, so here you can see all the things are as it is. So after body you can see we have given h1. So this h1 tag is nothing but it will make your text as a heading. Okay, h1 tag is used for heading and 1 is for the font size. So it makes your text look more bigger. Okay, therefore we are using h1. Here ol is the main tag which is used to create a list. Ol means ordered list. Li here means list item. Okay, so Li keyboard, Li mouse, Li microphone, Li scanner. So these are given as an list items in your order list. So once this list is created, then you have to just close your this ol tag. Here you can see this ol tag is opened over here and closed over here. So this is your list about your input devices. Then again we are giving another tag, that is h1 output devices. So this is another heading over here for the output devices. In this tag again what we are doing is ol tag. Ol tag is given for the ordered list. Okay, so in ordered list what you are giving again li, and then you have to write your product name or any of the thing whichever you want to be displayed in your list. Okay, at last again you have to close the ol tag, that is the order list tag, and then again body and HTML. Okay, so unless and until your body and HTML tag is not closed, your program will not work. Program, not this scripting language. Okay, so this HTML scripting language code will not work. So let us see how to create a list. Just follow the video over here about how I am creating a list in a web page, for a web page. So here I am using this run command for opening a notepad because I was not able to search over there. So you can use Windows plus R to open run. Okay, Windows plus R, and then you just have to type notepad and then press enter. Then this notepad will be opened. Just follow this video. Okay, So here it was existing from earlier, therefore it was giving an error. So here you can see the input devices and output devices are visible over here in a list form. List means in 1 2 3 4 serial number form. Okay, so this is how you can create a list in a web page using OL tag. So here you can see we have changed the size of the heading tag and the text has become smaller. So here you can see we have added another list, that is hardware components over here. So this appears in the form of a list. Okay, so this is how you can create a list and save it in the web page. So I hope you all are clear about how to create a list and what is a list. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the code about how to create a list. You can follow this code and write the same in the notepad. Okay, once you write this in the notepad, then it will be working in the form of a web page. Okay, so which tag is used to create a list? OL tag is used to create a list. Okay, and what is the tag which is used for the items in the list? LI tag is used for the items in the list. Okay, so OL tag, that is the order list tag, is used for defining a list in a web page. Li is used for defining the elements of the list. Okay, so this is how everything is about a list. Okay, so we'll be discussing the rest of the topics in the next class. Okay, till then, thank you.